Have you ever looked at a world map and wondered, how did all those massive continents get there? I mean, was there always a North America, or did our planet just throw the dice one day and bam, here's Africa, here's Asia? Well, hang on tight, because the story of how continents are formed is wilder than you might think. Let's rewind about 4.5 billion years to when Earth was just a super hot ball of chaos. Back then, there were no continents, just lava, space dust, and a whole lot of confusion. As the planet cooled, the heaviest stuff sank to the core, while lighter materials floated to the top, slowly forming Earth's very first crust. But here's where it gets interesting. This crust wasn't one solid piece. Imagine a giant cracked eggshell, with each piece drifting on a sea of melted rock. We call these pieces tectonic plates, and they're the real movers and shakers of our story. Over millions of years, these plates have been sliding around, bumping into each other, and sometimes even diving beneath one another in a process called subduction. When plates crash together, they can crumple up and form mountains. Think the Himalayas. Or when they pull apart, molten rock oozes up and creates new land, like what's happening in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean right now. But continents? They need something special. See, most of the ocean floor is made of basalt, heavy, dark rock that sinks. Continents, though, are made mostly of lighter rocks like granite. Over time, chunks of this lighter material broke off and piled up to form the first bits of land that floated higher than the oceans. Fast forward a few billion years, and things start to look familiar. Supercontinents, massive landmasses like Pangaea, come together, then slowly break apart and drift across the globe. It's like a never-ending dance, with continents colliding, splitting up, and reuniting in new shapes over and over again. And this dance isn't done yet. Even right now, the continents are still on the move, creeping along at about the speed your fingernails grow. In a few 100 million years, Earth could look totally different. Maybe the Atlantic Ocean will close up, or Australia will crash into Asia. Who knows? So next time you look at a map, remember, those continents aren't just sitting still. They're part of a wild, ongoing story, one written in stone, lava, and time. And in the grand scheme of things, we're just catching the continents in one frame of a never-ending movie. Pretty cool, right?